If you are a new Airbnb host and confused by the requests you receive from the guest, sometimes you receive an instant booking, sometimes you may receive a request to book, but sometimes you will receive an enquiry. So how does this all work? The simplest way to understand this is to see Airbnb website as a traveler. So let me go there. So this is the view a traveler would have, and they can choose to click on any listing. And let's say if you want to book this property. So if I'm a traveler and I want to book this property, I can simply choose the dates and click on reserve. When the user sees this reserve button, this means that the host has enabled instant book. People can book this property instantly without waiting for the approval. If the host had switched off instant bookings, instead of this reserve button, I will see request to book button. And in that case, when I press that button, the host will receive a message saying this guest is trying to book your property, and they can accept or decline it. If your instant booking is always on, but still sometimes you receive a request to book from the guest, that happens if a host has not updated their calendar, and if the booking is too close to their arrival, or if it is too far in advance. Airbnb thinks that there may be a chance that you have not been updating your calendar, and this could lead to a double booking. And that is why they send you a request to book. In simple words, if your instant booking is always on, you may still receive sometimes a request to book because Airbnb thinks that you have not updated your calendar for a long time and your calendar may not be up to date. Now, the third option which you receive is sometimes people will send you an enquiry. It is not a request to book. They are just inquiring. And how does that work? To send an inquiry, there is another option on this screen. So if you scroll down, at the bottom of the page, your profile will be here. And there is this contact host button. When people click on contact host, that will go to this host as an inquiry. Once I'm happy with the answers from the host, I can click on reserve, but I'm not ready to book yet. So this is how these three things work. Let me explain it very briefly once again. If instant booking is on, you will see reserve button. Instant booking is off, you will see request to book button. And if you want to send an inquiry, you can click on contact host, and that will go as an inquiry, not as a booking request. And the fourth one is a request to book, even when your instant booking is on. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, and drop me a message if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Until next time, bye-bye.